Hi, this video will tell you how to create team or a group in Microsoft Teams. You need to click on Teams towards the left hand side, which is written just after chat. Towards the right hand side, you can see it's written here as join or create team. Click here. You will get this window. There's an option create a team. You will click here on create a team. From this, you will select the type of a team. I'm selecting right now as class because as we all are teaching to the students, so we'll click on the class. Now here I'll give the name of my team. Like suppose if I'm taking computer science, so I will write here as computer science. You can write here anything, whatever you want to. Then move to the next one. After creating, it is asking you to add the names of the students. I can write the name of the students like here. This will be displayed. I can simply click it. And after clicking, I can just simply click on add. But the group which I'm not making for one class. I'm going to take a class of maybe sixth and two sections are there. So what do I do here? My class teachers have made their class groups. Now when I'm doing it, I wanted to take two classes together. So instead of writing one name, I can write here as sixth Springdale. Now this is the whole class. If I wanted to add one more, I'll write here as whatever is written in their group. You have to be very careful when you are writing the name of the group that whatever is written in the team group, you have to write that. So here I'm writing 6th Hilltop. So I click again and then I simply add it. Now if you see here, it is written add 45 members in Springdales and add 48 members in from Hilltop. You will just click here. Wherever you can see the tick mark, you can click here. By this, all the members will be there in your group. Now there's only one member which is in both the teams. So I don't want it to repeat it, so I will just close it here and then close it. Now this is my team which is made. I have written there as computer science. Now if you see here, there are three dots for more options. If I click here, I say manage team. After clicking on the manage team, you can see my name is written here and I'm the owner of this group. Then you can see here members and guests. If I click here, I've added here two classes. That is your Springdale and Hilltop. So all the members will be added in this. I can mute my students from here, or while I'm taking a meeting, that time also I can mute. There's another setting here which we need to be careful when we are taking a class because the students disturb us. They sometimes remove the student, sometimes they mute a teacher. So all these things, as a teacher, I should have the authority to do whatever I want to. I don't have to give it to anyone else. So I go to the settings. In the settings, there is member permission. Only owner can delete messages. This is again for the chat box if you see. So I will just click here on the owners can delete messages. I have not clicked anywhere else. Coming back to the computer science as a group, If you see here, there's another option. Suppose if I wanted to add one more class, so I can do it from here also as add members, write the class name, and then I can do it. Here in more options, if I wanted to change anything, I am not liking the name of my group, so I can do it from here. I can simply change the name and then I can have it. I'm just writing here right now as computer, and then at bottom you can see there's update written. Click here. Just wait for 2 minutes. It takes little time and then it will show you. Now, if you see here, there's a channel which is general. It is automatically made there. So I need to change the settings of this also. Go to the manage channel. In manage channel, if you see here, all these settings again I'm going to change. I'm going to take it as only owner can post the messages. Otherwise, when we are taking a class, students don't listen, they do all mischiefs. So I'm trying to have all the control with me. If you wanted to create one more channel, you can go here again and add channel. Now, what is the use of creating channel? Suppose there are two classes, two different classes, or there is a number of students, those who are extraordinary, and we wanted to give them some more work. So that time we need to have a one more group or a channel. In this channel, we can have only restricted people. You can have everyone here from the group. Most importantly, those who are the members of this group can be added in the channel. Like for example, I'm writing here as comp and I make it as a privacy settings as private, and then I say next. Now what I do is, if I skip, so everyone will be the member of this group also or the channel. But if I wanted very few students in this group, so I will just write their name and I can just click it. I'll just show you. You can do it from here, or you can simply skip from here. Now what is happening here? All the students are added. Now which students? I've added here Springdale and Hilltop. So all the students are added in this group also. There's a lock here. That means this channel is private. And in this private channel, I can post the files or I can post the messages, and it will be only visible to those who are the member of this channel. After creating the channel, again go to the more options, again manage the channel. Now here also you have the settings. The same way as you did it for the general one, here also you can do it. Give the member permissions, only the owner, and then just click here. Only the owner will have all the permission here also. If you want, you can change the members. Like sometimes if I have not added anyone right now, but you can add it from here. Add members, who all you wanted. You can just simply write their name, whatever you want. They'll come and they'll join it. The same way as we do it in the journal group. I hope creating a team and creating a private channel is clear. And private channel is only created to send messages to some specific people so that nobody else can see what you are doing. Only those who are there in that particular channel can view that. Otherwise, if you are creating a team, no problems, because whatever team you are making, those who are the members can only see that. And if by mistake also sometimes we add members here and we don't want somebody to be there. So how can I do that? For that, again go to the manage team. The members are already there. Just click it. After clicking, like suppose I don't want this teacher to be there in my group. So what do? I just click here and I will remove her. So after creating your group, you can delete members whom you don't want to be there. I think by this most of our problem is solved. Thank you. Meet you in the next video.